If you're looking for macro photography ideas to try out over the coming year, then I've got you covered. I've got 5 amazing macro projects that I tried out over the past 12 months or so. I'll be linking to full tutorial videos up in the top right hand corner as we go along. And make sure to hit subscribe for a full year of brand new tutorials coming in 2026. For now, I'm going to get started with our very first subject. First up, we have kitchen foil. All you need to create these strange abstract shots is some lighting like the Adaptalux Studio and some aluminium foil. Crumpling up the foil and shining the light onto the folds and creases in the foil will create all kinds of interesting reflections that you can capture with your macro lens. If you can get your lens and camera close enough, you can actually capture the texture on the metal foil itself. But where the magic really happens is the reflections of the different colours in the folds and creases of the metal foil. Next up, we have the really fun world of action figure photography. Now, whether you're into collecting figures yourself, or perhaps you have kids or grandkids that are into their toys, this is a fantastic way to really get to grips with photography, especially if you want to include the young ones. You can spend a lot of time setting up your figures in various poses and then using lighting and practical effects to make them come to life. You want to make them look larger than life and much more real than their standard plastic selves. You can use the kitchen foil that we just discussed to create explosions in the background and really go to town with your lighting skills. Next up, we have one of those macro photography subjects that seems really obvious but very rarely gets tried out because of the complexity involved. You need a very high magnification lens, some specialist lighting, and you need to keep everything steady. Diffusion is also very important to make sure that your light looks really nice when you get onto a reflective subject like this. You're also going to need to do some focus stacking, which is a challenge in itself. If you can bring all of these elements together, and I highly recommend that you watch our tutorial in order to do so, you can create some really amazing images of the tip of a pen, a very common thing in real life, but very rarely seen at this type of magnification. Plants are a very common macro photography subject, but rarely do we think about photographing the roots. However, they can be really fun. If you go and grab some grass or perhaps some weeds and turn them upside down, you can find these weaving, interlocking webs of roots. When you introduce some lighting and perhaps some coloured backgrounds, you can get really interesting, creative results. If you start to introduce some coloured lighting as well, you can really theme your photographs, creating sunset-like shots and really abstract landscapes that look like alien worlds. You can start to theme your shots, for instance, in a blue and a purple colour. You can create some Halloween-y looking strange trees that are simply close-up roots. It's a really simple subject that you can try out easily at home. Our favourite project from last year was heading into the river to create videos of the objects under the flowing surface of the water. This was initially to test the IP67 waterproof rating of our lighting arms, but we quickly got into a really deep, abstract shoot. Placing the light under the surface of the water and another light above the surface of the water creates a very strange effect. The flowing water over the top of the objects really adds a dynamic element to your images and to your video. You can create an infinite amount of really cool stock photography or video using this kind of effect. It might be a little bit strange, but it's a really fun project. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you're here for all of the brand new ideas and inspiration that we'll have coming in 2026. We have a brand new video every 2 weeks with a completely different macro subject that you might not have seen before. For now, that is all I've got time for. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.